Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is BHA Solutions. On this channel you're going to find content that we create from time to time related to English, Urdu and Punjabi languages, effective communication using languages, and you're going to find content on media and information and digital literacy and personal and professional development as well. You're going to come across playlists that are carefully curated to include content not only from us but also from other creators, because we feel those videos add great value to your journey. You're also going to find some playlists related to the Quran, and this is simply because we think it's important to have a reference text that doesn't require revision, especially when it's a matter of your success. Subscribe to our channel, browse through our playlists, see the content, like the content you like, and share it within your community as well. Don't forget to hit the bell icon because that will send you a notification every time we publish. We actually love when our community leaves comments on our videos and engages with us in all sorts of conversations. Feel free to express your thoughts and leave comments on our videos. We reply to all of them. To everyone watching, we would like to say thank you for listening. If your success matters, hit that subscribe button. Take care and have a great day.